Today we're going to do a belt change on a Bissell Cleanview pet vacuum cleaner. So let's go on and get into it. So we're going to remove the old belt we took off the green part here, and it had 6 screws, and we're going to take this brush and this belt off together. I'm going to pull that out so it doesn't snap, and then just remove that from around the little spindle there, and you can remove that. So what I'm going to do is just take off the hair here in my spare time, and then we'll put on the new belt. So I want to point out that this came in a 2-pack, and this is the old belt, and you can tell that they're a little bit different in the way that they're shaped. So this is the old belt that was just on, and this is the newer belt. So the newer one fits in there, and I was a little bit worried about that being small, but it actually fits with no problem. So what I did first is I took this belt and go in here on this little silver part, and you slide it under there, and now it is, it is connected into that little part here. And you're going to take this part of your brush, slide it right there, and we will get 2 hands on this. You're going to pull down with as much force as you can, evenly and equally. I have actually done this before, and it wasn't this hard, but that's okay. A little bit of strength. No problem. I'm gonna get it lined up again. And now we have our belt fully on and in our vacuum cleaner. So this is the part that it hooks around, and then it is fully stretched and prepared on our vacuum cleaner. So if you are looking for a replacement belt that actually contains 2 belts, this is a wonderful one to have.